ladies, this one's for us. On the 1st of Feb, we've got our next devoted event, which is going to be Pizza and Play. And yes, their name is what it is. We're going to have some pizza and we're going to play some games together. And it's a good time to socialise and meet other women here at Excel Church. So if you're free for that, come and join us on the 1st of Feb at 6 p.m. And it's only £9 to attend. That will cover the cost of food. So make sure you come along. Maybe invite a friend along as well. And we'll have some fun on that day. Did you know there's 5 Wednesdays this month, which means that on the last Wednesday of the month, on Wednesday the 29th, we're going to have our next Leadership Development Night. So if you're a leader here at Excel Church, or you're an aspiring leader, or you're leading in any kind of capacity, this night is for you. You need to come along because there's going to be refreshments as well. So come along for that evening from 7:30 for our Leadership Development Night.
Hold on tight, we'll turn this back around.
This week we're going to be booking some accommodation for our first national mission trip to Kendal. So that's going to be happening on the 11th to the 13th of April. Now if you're wanting to join us on this weekend of mission with the church in Kendal, then make sure that you sign up online and let us know as soon as possible within the next few weeks, because we are booking accommodation and we'd love to have you join so we can share the gospel with as many people and we can impact the community there. So if you want to join us, make note of the dates, sign up online and come with us on mission to Kendal. That's all for Excel News, but make sure you join us this Wednesday for Release at 7:30, where we're going to have a prayer together and a Bible study. And I'm doing the Bible study, so I want to see you there. So make sure you come along and we'll have a great time together. Have a great week.